All right, guys, got a 2016 Dodge Durango thermostat. If you got a thermostat code thermostat irrational, pretty much make sure the car is nice and cold, and open up your radiator when the car is nice and cold. All you need to do is remove this clamp. I got it on a Jeep. It's a similar process. And remove this clamp. The pipe comes off. I usually use a funnel down here to grab all the antifreeze. 10 millimeter bolt here, 10 millimeter bolt there, and that's how simple it is to get the thermostat off this Dodge Durango. This is 2016 model. And you put everything back together, make sure it's not leaking here. Like this guy's leaking from right here, so I gotta switch this clamp around, put a different type of clamp, or just try to bring it back to the same original spot. Anyways, 2 bolts, it comes off. And when you're filling this up, you gotta open this bleeder valve. You fill up till you start to see the fluid comes out through here. So that's how you're gonna check it. You gotta bleed a little bit. It does have a little bleeding sequence here. So anyways, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like. Put in a fresh antifreeze, I would say, okay? It's a common issue. So here's the thermostat. The problem here, this thermostat either opens up very slow or stays stuck open. That's the reason why you get that code. Or you could not have, it could be that you don't have coolant in the system, but then it would overheat. Anyways, thank you for watching my video.